Hey everyone, what's up? Happy New Year of 2024. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really cool flicker I just designed. It's got a cool look to it, and this is how it flies. Oh yeah! Oh, did you see that? Alright, want to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this flicker, I used a 6-inch square of kami that's purple on one side and green on the other. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to fold it from a 6-inch square of regular kami. So it's green on one side or colored on one side and white on the other. But you can pretty much use any square for this, as long as it's square. And, you know, it'll look better if you use a square that's a different color on one side. Okay, so let's begin with the white side up. And let's fold in half. Try to make very precise folds and crease sharply. Unfold, and fold in half this way. This is not a difficult model, so if you're new to folding, then this is a good model for you. Unfold, and take this edge and fold to the crease. And no, we're not making a fish base, by the way. Fold all the way across, unfold, and fold this edge to here. Make sure it comes right to the point right there too. Okay, unfold, and we're going to do that going all the way around. So 6 more times. So here, take this edge and fold it to the middle. And this edge to the middle. Okay, like this, and unfold. Alright, now we're going to turn over, and we're going to take this corner, and we're going to fold it. We're going to fold it to that intersection right there. And then do that 3 more times. Okay, now turn back over, and let's just reinforce these 2 folds here just on the white triangles. Okay, unfold. Now rotate like this, and we're gonna fold in half, and we're not gonna make the whole fold. We're just gonna fold just on the side, so just on this segment. And same on this side too. Just on this segment, like this. Do not fold in here. Okay? And do that in the other direction. So we're just folding on these 2 side segments. Like that. Alright, and now we're going to start making the rabbit ears. So I guess I can start right here. So we're going to make this fold and this fold both at the same time. Like this. And flatten the flap to the left. Like this. If you're a right-handed flicker like me, flatten it to the left. And then on here, we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to fold right on that crease. And then fold this flap to the left. Like this. And then just keep doing that, going all the way around. So here, on here. And then here. And you should get the idea. But since I'm already almost there, I'm not going to fast forward. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see. Now this one, this is the hard step here, the tricky one. pinch like this and flatten. And then here we have these two flaps, flatten them to the left. And then here, like that. And as you can see, the flicker's already taken shape. And now what we're going to do is, we're going to kind of lock these flaps down more, and this is how we're going to do it. So, what we're going to do is, we're going to fold this flap up, and we're folding right on the middle. And you want to fold it up so this edge touches that point of the white triangle. Like this. Unfold and stick it into the pocket. So open the pocket up and tuck it in there. Like that. Okay, and do that all the way around. And I'm going to fast forward this part. Alright, like this. And this might fly okay, but I think these flaps might stay down a bit better. See these four flaps kind of sticking up a little bit? They're kind of down a little bit, but to keep them down more better. Let's turn over. No, sorry. Stay on this side, and we're just gonna kind of make it stand out better. So we're gonna take this corner and fold it to here. And then do that 3 more times. Okay. And now turn over and fold this flap up in between these 2 points. And if you look closely, notice that this corner, it may or may not align perfectly with the crease. So yeah, so don't pay attention to that. Pay attention to folding in between the 2 points. It may or may not align with the crease, but that's okay. And then do that 3 more times. Okay, unfold the flaps on this side. And then let's fold them on the other side too. So you can just erase the crease like that and fold it up like this. And once you did that, just crease everything sharply. Make sure everything's flat. And then you can give it some curvature. Like this will help it fly better. And once you did that, there's your flicker done. And remember, if you really want it to be flat, stick it under something heavy like a pile of books or something overnight. And that'll really make it flat. Oh, forgot to fold that flap in. Alright, and you just hold it like this. I'm going to hold it by the side and I'm going to flick somewhere right here. Either on this edge or this edge. So here we go. I'm going to show you how it flies now. Oh, did you see that? Oh, on my windowsill. And I'm just going to just keep it over there. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding that. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.